Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Bitget versus Kucoin overview difference. So let's dive straight into it. Bitget is best for copy trading while Kucoin is best for derivatives trading. Bitget it has 750 plus crypto supported while Kucoin is not much less but 700 only. And then you can see future contracts for Bitget is 200 plus and for KuCoin it's 300 plus. And these are the main differences, but Bitget is licensed by Poland and KuCoin is not. Now if we look at some of the other uh, differences, you'll see that overall pros for Bitgets is you'll get a lot of demo accounts, support service, and copying trades, all these things. The cons is that deposits and withdrawals in fiat currencies are not available, and there are no educational materials for novice traders on the exchange websites. For KuCoin, the trading you can do up to 1 is to 100, derivatives and NFT available, and the cons is it is not regulated and only limited access in the US. Now, these are some of the other differences that you can see: future leverages, supported coins, the exact number, P2P perpetual contract, and all these fees that you can take a look at. And NFT, as you can see, Bitget does not support it, but KuCoin does support it. And these are the basic differences. So I would say go for the one that supports your criteria the best. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.